Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your VPN connection over Wi-Fi. Let's get started. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free VPN that just works without any complicated setups, I highly recommend NordVPN. It offers a simple subscription with incredibly fast speeds, top-tier security, and works seamlessly for streaming and browsing. Try it for 30 days using the link below. There are many situations where you might need to share your VPN connection. Maybe you have a device like a smart TV or a gaming console that doesn't support VPN apps. Or you want to protect all the devices on your local network without installing the VPN on each one individually. The good news is that if you're using a Windows computer, you can easily turn it into a virtual router that broadcasts a secure, VPN-protected Wi-Fi network for all your other devices. For this method to work, your computer needs to have Wi-Fi capability, as we'll be using the built-in mobile hotspot feature. Also, make sure your computer is connected to the internet, but that you are currently disconnected from the VPN application. We will reconnect it at a specific moment later in the process. First, we need to set up the mobile hotspot that other devices will connect to. Click on the Start menu and open the Settings application. Inside Settings, click on Network and Internet. On the left-hand menu, you will see an option for Mobile Hotspot. Click on that. On the Mobile Hotspot page, you'll see a toggle switch at the top. Before you turn it on, let's configure it properly. Click the Edit button right below the network name and password. A new window will pop up. Here, you can set a recognizable network name, like My Secure VPN Hotspot, and create a strong, secure password that other devices will need to connect. Make sure the password is at least 8 characters long and includes numbers and letters. Click Save when you're done. Now go back and toggle the switch at the top to On to enable the mobile hotspot. Your computer is now broadcasting a Wi-Fi network, but it's not yet secured by the VPN. The next step is the most crucial part: telling Windows to share the VPN connection through this new hotspot. To do this, we need to go into the Advanced Network Settings. Stay in the Network and Internet Settings window and scroll down to the very bottom. You will see a link for Advanced Network Settings. Click on that. In the new Advanced Network Settings window, look for and click on the option that says More Network Adapter Options. This will open the classic Network Connections control panel window, which shows icons for all your different network interfaces. In this window, you need to identify 2 specific adapters. First, look for the one named Tap NordVPN Windows Adapter. This is the virtual network card that the VPN uses. Next, find the adapter for your mobile hotspot. It will be named something like Local Area Connection x 12 and will have Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Virtual Adapter listed underneath it. Take a moment to note the exact name of this hotspot adapter. Now, right-click on the Tap NordVPN Windows Adapter and select Properties from the menu. In the Properties window, navigate to the Sharing tab. In this tab, you will see a checkbox that says Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. Check this box. Just below that, you will see a drop-down menu for Home Networking Connection. This is where you select which connection to share with. Click the drop-down and select the mobile hotspot adapter you identified earlier. Click OK to confirm and apply these settings. The final step is to activate the VPN. Now, open your NordVPN application. For this connection sharing to work properly, you must be using the OpenVPN protocol. You can check this by going into the app's Settings, then to VPN Settings, and looking at the Protocol option. Make sure it is set to OpenVPN UDP or OpenVPN TCP. Once the protocol is confirmed, connect to any VPN server location you want. This will be the virtual location for all devices connected to your hotspot. And that's it! Now, any device you connect to your new My Secure VPN Hotspot Wi-Fi network will have its internet traffic securely routed through the VPN on your computer. You can connect your phone, your smart TV, or any other Wi-Fi device, and they will all be protected by the same encrypted connection. This is a fantastic way to extend VPN protection to every gadget in your home without any complicated software installations. If you're looking for faster speeds for streaming, a much larger server network, and advanced features like malware protection, I highly recommend checking out NordVPN. It's a more powerful service that also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try it completely risk-free. Try it for 30 days using the link below.